DJM TV.
Country people, una welcome to DJM TV weekly pidgin English news. I beg, if this one are the first time when you don't take the serious, make you subscribe and follow us for our social media platforms. For website, na www.djntv.news. Make you subscribe there because now there will be summer 24/7 news, no shaking. Then for our YouTube, now be DJM TV. Make you subscribe there too. Then make you not forget to knock your hand for the notification bell. Sake of say, as you knock your hand, anytime we knock this come out, you go always receive us straight and direct for your phone. Again, make you like our page for Facebook, now DJM TV. Then make you not forget to follow us for Twitter, now still DJM TV.
We are seeking for only one thing, and that is justice. What are we seeking for?
Justice!
The father is sitting down, so we need your solidarity. And what they are displaying now is the video footage of the Lekki shooting.
The doctored video
from 00 p.m. to the time all the events happen. So what we are going to do, we are citizens, are we not?
Yes.
We are going to be part of the panel. Yes. We are citizens of this country. Yes. So I enjoy you to put on your face mask. The face mask.
that is our sign. That's our sign of protest. Yes, that is a significant because those who are putting on their face mask, the Nigerian state is killing them with guns. Yes. So what is the essence of putting on those masks when eventually our own government is killing us?
Nigerians today. Greatest of the greatest of the greatest Nigerians today. No nation.
What is come around Jari?
What can they do? Shame on them that they can do. Shame on Shame on those that killed and they took their body away to go and eat it. When they look at that, shame on them. They will kill you and take your body away. Shame on them. They can only kill you.
Yes.
No retreat, no surrender.
Levels to go. Who due to the negligence and irresponsibility of the government of Nigeria has been kept away from campus for several months due to ASU strike. If the government had been responsible, Onifade Pelumi would not be working with a online television press organization, which he was making a coverage of an event for, while he was arrested by the task force under the command of Egbeyemi Taiwo. Mr. Egbeyemi Taiwo, an irresponsible human being who looked directly into the face of a 20-year-old boy and killed him. Pelumi was arrested on that Saturday, 24th of October 2020. He was arrested while doing his job. Along the line, we started looking around, checking around every police station for Onifade Pelumi. They kept him away from us. The event took place at Okoba in Agege. Throughout until Tuesday, that we had to make an online graphics, to declare him missing. It was then that the same Egbeyemi Taiwo, who has been notorious for drilling and tackling poor people, the same poor people that the Nigerian state and the Nigerian government has kept in abject poverty. who they, out of their own irresponsibility, have kept them below the normal standard of living. Yes. Egbeyemi Taiwo arrested our boy with his man, Wonkunle Akerele or whatever his name might be. For us, we will not keep a good record of a murderer. So that is why his name will not be coherent in our mouth. Definitely. So therefore, he called us for a meeting on Wednesday. Some of the people who Pelumi was working with checked in and met with Egbeyemi Taiwo. At first, he was denying the arrest of Onifade Pelumi. And one of their ploys was that they had to tell us to come back on Thursday, knowing fully well that Thursday would be a public holiday. By Friday, they asked us to go and check one mortuary at Ikorodu. That was where the dead corpse of Onifade Pelumi was found. Very, very determinant and very straightforward that the Nigerian state, having known that Onifade Pelumi covered the atrocities of the Nigerian police under the guise of Lagos Task Force, the boy has a record of every irresponsible unethical act that they carried out on that day. They had to eliminate his life to cover up their track. For a living young boy to have been announced dead in police custody, that shows the level of irresponsibility. 100% correct. How backward our society has been kept under the APC, PDP successive regime. Okay. We are mentioning both APC and PDP to show that because before you know, they will start spreading their propaganda that one political party is using them. We know they are all the same. Yes. Birds of a feather flocks together. Yes. And we, for us, whether they like it or not, they should deploy all their armies in their barracks. All the police officers in their barracks, they should deploy them to the streets. If they kill one Pelumi today, thousands of Pelumi will rise. Oh, yes. If they kill as many as possible, we will rise. So therefore, we are here today. Our lawyers have been well briefed about the situation of things, and I will believe that without mounting pressure, because we believe in the first instance that for us we do not have confidence in this kind of panel. So someone cannot be the judge in his own case. Sanwo-Olu, all greatest Nigerian students, the Lagos Task Force that killed Onifade Pelumi were directly responsible to Governor Babajide Sanwo-Olu. So therefore, he cannot set up a panel to look into a crisis that he created. Definitely justice will not be served. But this is just to register our dissenting voice, that it is not out of cowardice that we have stayed back at home, but we are taking every legal and principle approach immediately. They are criminals. We want to send a strong warning to Kulu. We want to send this warning also to the IG. If he's a responsible IG, and he's a father of the youth, and he has children like us at home. Truly, we may not be his children because we don't have what it is to be his children. We don't have bad fathers. We have what is up here. Crazy fathers. We have the birthright to be his children. Today, the CP of Lagos State must either be fired or he must be in prison. He must be in jail. Today, we must receive results, and we are given a warning of just 3 days. If all our demand is not met, we'll storm this place. We'll storm everywhere possible. Thank God for our strike. Please let it continue. We have time to demand for our justice. Your name. My name is Commander D.M. Samson, the General Secretary of NANS Ogun State. Thanks. What do we do then? We don't do them anything. What do we do then? We don't do them anything. What do we do then? We don't do them. Hey, what do we do then? We don't do them anything. What do we do then? We don't do them anything. Àwọn ní dákẹ́, alúdàlá ó máa fà. Àwọn ní dákẹ́, alúdàlá ó máa fà. Alúdàlá ó máa fà ó. Ọ̀rọ̀ wa yóò fi jẹ́ sọ́pẹ́. Wá, àfẹ́rí o, ẹni alúdà tètè máa bọ̀ àfẹ́rí o. Àfẹ́rí o, àwẹ̀tù máa bọ̀. Ìyẹ̀tù máa lóde o. Ìyẹ̀tù máa lóde o. Ìyẹ̀tù máa lóde o.
Let's go. Stop.
We don't do them anything. Wetin we do them? We don't do them anything. Wetin we do them? We don't do them anything. Wetin we do them? We don't do them anything.
Hey, politician na dem cause politician na dem cause like shooting. Exactly. Politician na dem pẹ̀lú mi. Ẹgbọ́n náà sọ pé wetin we do them?
We don't do them anything. Wetin we do them? We don't do them anything.
Wetin we do them?
We don't do them anything.
Wetin we do them?
We don't do them anything.
For the unbonge time when I don't take the day with us. And we constantly get other country, correct country people when they say that they support us, that they support us with so many things. Now, the first one I want to first knock in name, so let me Arize Agolonu. Inside there, we still get Favor Olamide, Ada Dollars Video, GKH Foundation, Cheesy Mwadike, Ifda TV, and Anointed Lady TV. Una too correct. So I give una big buzzer for all the support una don't they give us all this time. For others now, when I not physically call the name, it not mean say una they support us, una still do well. So make una continue they support us so that we go continue the summer una hot news as them they share it. Now listen for hot news matter, then they go they see DJM TV. So I beg, make una continue. They subscribe to our YouTube channel when we DJM TV and make you not forget to knock out for the notification bell once you don't subscribe. Again, make you follow us on Twitter, now DJM TV. And also for Facebook, make you like our page now DJM TV. And the big of them all, 9B, our website will be www.djmtv.news. There, now 24/7 within the NAC news. So like I talked before, I will draw the curtain. Until next time when we go come again, come nakuna the hot story as don't share it. My name now Stanley Okocha.
DJM TV.